US short seller Hindenburg Research has stated that Securities and Exchange Board of India (SEBI) head Madhabi Puri Butch and her husband invested in offshore entities that were allegedly part of a fund structure managed by India Infoline and in which Vinod Adani, Gautam Adani's brother, also had investments. While Butch termed these allegations baseless, the Adani Group denied a commercial relationship with SEBI chairperson or her husband. The conglomerate called Hindenburg's claims malicious and manipulative of select public information. But let's find out who is Madhabi Puri Butch. Butch, a former whole-time member of SEBI and its first woman chief, took over in March 2022 for a tenure of 3 years from her predecessor, Ajay Tyagi. With over 3 decades of experience in the financial markets, Butch was a SEBI whole-time member between April 5, 2017 and October 4, 2021, during which she handled portfolios such as surveillance, collective investment schemes, and investment management. During this time, she was known for cracking down on fraudulent tradings by 2 prominent television anchors of a business news channel. In 2017, Butch passed a number of orders banning trading in suspected shell companies based on the list drawn up by government during its drive against black money. In 2021, she passed a controversial order in the insider trading case of Deep Industries Limited. The regulator had examined Facebook profiles of the accused entities and found they were friends on the platform and had liked each other's posts. Butch said in her order, and I quote, "An insider can be by way of their association in any capacity, or it can be by way of frequent communication with its officers, which can also be in their social capacity, as evident in this case by frequent interactions, including on social media." After a tenure as a whole-time member of SEBI, Butch became the head of a 7-member expert group that was formed to help the regulator design in-house technological systems. She took over as chief of the market regulator at a time when it was facing cases related to the NSE co-location scandal and former NSE MD and CEO Chitra Ramkrishna. Before her assignment at SEBI, Butch was a consultant with the New Development Bank in Shanghai. She has also served as the head of the Singapore office of the private equity firm Greater Pacific Capital, MD and Chief Executive Officer at ICICI Securities Limited, and Executive Director on the board of ICICI Bank. A graduate in mathematics from Delhi University's St. Stephen's College and an alumnus of Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, Butch joined ICICI Bank in 1989. She completed her schooling from Fort Convent School in Mumbai and Convent of Jesus and Mary in Delhi. She was also named among the most powerful women in business by Business Today, along with personalities like Zoya Akhtar, Sangeeta Reddy, and Nayan Tara.